Hi guys! Today I will share my favorite roasted chicken recipe. Meat is so tender, it falls off the bone and back with flavor and so juicy. So first we're gonna dry the chicken with paper towel, then we're gonna season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Just sprinkle it over the chicken and give the chicken a massage. Don't forget to rub the cavity and under the skin as well. And set it aside for a while. Next, in a small bowl, we're gonna mix together garlic, rosemary, melted butter, a little bit of cooking oil, lemon juice, soy sauce, sugar, a little bit of salt, and freshly chopped parsley. Give it a good stir until everything is well incorporated, and we're gonna drizzle it over the chicken. Again, massage the chicken with our marinade. Don't forget the cavity under the skin. Next, we're gonna stuff the chicken with some garlic, lemon, and onion leaf. Turn the chicken breast side down and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Then place it on air fryer together with the marinated sauce and seasoned slice of potato and carrots. Now we're gonna roast the chicken for about 45 minutes to 1 hour at 100 degrees Celsius. Halfway of the roasting, we're gonna turn it upside down and bring it back to the air fryer. 10 minutes before it's done, flip the chicken once more so we can achieve the golden skin goodness. Now that our chicken is done, we're gonna garnish it with sliced of lemon and freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it, your roasted lemon rosemary chicken. Enjoy eating!